In marine construction, success hinges on precision and efficiency. Discover Marine Complete, your comprehensive digital solution. Streamline your workflow with our specialized CRM. Keep clients updated with real-time project alerts, building trust and transparency. Effortlessly estimate project materials with our automated tool, ensuring accuracy and saving time. Transform your ideas into reality. Our intuitive design tools let you quickly create detailed dock and boat lift layouts in 2D and 3D on-site with effortless customization. Experience the future of design with augmented reality. Visualize your custom designs in the real world right at your fingertips. Stay on top of every project, create tasks, assign them to your team, and keep detailed notes all within Marine Complete. Organize and store all project documents in one place. Generate and export comprehensive PDF reports and summaries with ease. Whether on the go or at the office, Marine Complete is your mobile companion, adapting to your dynamic work environment. Visit marinecomplete.com to learn more. Marine Complete, where your projects meet efficiency and innovation.